how to delete Instagram account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are gonna learn how you can delete Instagram account. So for that, all you have to do is open the Instagram app. After you're here, go ahead and press on profile on the bottom right of the screen. After you are in profile, go ahead and press on the three lines at the top of the screen. After you press it, there you can see multiple options. Go ahead and select settings and privacy. After you're here, you can see your account. There it says account center. Go ahead and press account center. After you're here, there is an option that says personal details. If you go ahead and press on personal details, there you can see your information and it says account ownership and control. After you press it, there it says account ownership. If you want deactivation or deletion, go ahead and press it. There you can choose the account that you want to deactivate or delete. If you want to deactivate, go ahead and press on the top, but if you want to delete it completely, you're deleting your account is permanent, go ahead and select the second option. After you're done with that, go ahead and continue it, and after confirming with your password, your account will finally be deleted completely. And that is how you can delete your Instagram account. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.